Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So finally, I've got some good news on the challenge stages with my Forex funds. I finally passed the first stage and it's taken me absolutely months to get there. And after many retakes, again, my always objective is to not make a loss and get a free retake if I'm not able to actually get the profit target. I finally today hit the 8% profit target, which is a huge achievement for me because I've been really struggling trying to get these big returns on a monthly basis. Now, some people might say that's not a huge return, only 8%, but depending on your psychology, your trading style, and how you go about things, that can actually seem like a million miles away. And for me, it's been a real challenge over the past few months trying to get to that sort of breakthrough level, trying to break through sort of 4% per month, and now finally I've achieved it. So I'm not making this video to boast about how I'm an amazing trader, how I've actually conquered everything, I've mastered everything. It's more around giving people inspiration to be able to see the journey from going when I signed up back in whenever it was, for about 6 months ago with my Forex funds, to now in February, actually now passing. And for me, I think the success I've had over the past 2 or 3 weeks is really just focusing solely on one thing. I've had the funded accounts, I've had other challenge accounts, and when they haven't quite gone my way, I've often stopped everything. Just sort of, okay, fine, I'll take that sort of step back, reassess and go on. But here I've actually managed to let the others go to one side and just focus on my Forex funds, take it slowly, not rush it, and just get into that momentum of building percent on percent and finally getting to 8% today. So I've actually completed with 11 days left, which I think is about 7 trading days. So plenty of time. If I hadn't quite got it today, I would have got it tomorrow, day after, or next week. I wasn't rushing each day to get where I needed to be. Although I had objectives I wanted to hit, I wasn't worried if I didn't hit them. And there's been several occasions I've been in trades over the past couple of weeks where they would have actually hit my targets of 8% quite easily. But through whatever reason, I've closed them out, and that's what I'm working on at the moment, trying to let the winners run. There's a particular trade on gold as an example where it was showing a nice sort of head and shoulders pattern, a nice reversal when price was coming up sort of quite high, the 1830, 1840 mark. It didn't quite come off. And again, I got into that trade the following day. I tried to short it again as price went up. That ended up me over the series trades that day, about 1.5% down. But eventually the next day, I got onto that trade. I got 3% back. I closed out. I think I'd done really well. But again, I knew where my target wanted to be, and I thought it might have hit it eventually. Again, as always, we look back in hindsight and think if I'd left that trade, I would have hit my target a lot easier, a lot quicker, a lot less stress. But I'm not too worried. The main thing for me was following the process, going through the journey, and getting to a pass. What I have been impressed with as well is the automation now on my Forex funds. Previously, you had to email through and say, can you go and validate my account? And now it's automatic. As soon as I've literally got to that pass point, I've had an email come through saying, congratulations, you've passed, go and actually upgrade your account and reset it for the next phase. I'm now looking forward to starting on the step 2 of the challenge, which again, as we know, is gaining 5% in 60 days. I'm definitely not underestimating the effort that will take. On some of these, I may have got lucky, I might have been unlucky on some of the trades, but as always, it's just following the process, doing the same routine day in, day out, not making mistakes, not getting upset when you don't always get a winning trade, and just having confidence in yourself and the belief that you will get to that end goal and hit that target. And for me, the biggest difference, I think, is not trading on my funded account. I'm actually almost deciding now to not trade that for a period of time so I can focus on this challenge. I've done the maths, I've run it through, that if I actually don't trade it for several months, but actually get additional funding through my Forex funds or another FTMO challenge, then I can easily make that loss of income up over the following couple of months. So I'm not too worried about not taking the regular profits. So really my focus now is getting through stage 2 as efficiently as possible, not as fast as possible. I'm not going to do this in 1 day, 2 days. It might take me a month, who knows? But I am going to get there and I'm going to get more funding. So I really hope your funding journey is going well and you're able to maintain that level of discipline to actually get through the stage 1 and stage 2 challenges. And when you are funded, really focus on not going through and blowing those accounts, because so many people do in the first month. They get through the euphoria of, okay, I've passed 1 stage or I've passed 2 stage. I can now get funding, I'll make £1 million, no trouble at all. And reality is a lot of traders just don't succeed. They end up blowing it straight away and can never recover from that. So again, for me, it's the mentality and the mindset of taking each trade as it comes, each day as it comes, and each challenge as it comes. and not getting swept away with anticipation of passing and being funded, just following through each step at a time. And as always, the journey, the end goal will arrive and get to where we need to be. So I hope you enjoyed my quick update on my FOREX Funds challenge, and it's given some more inspiration to go with yourself. So I'll catch up again soon. Cheers.